woke up. Literally just woke up. I'm going to Target, I think, today. Macy's, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going out and doing stuff. First gonna get a coffee because I need a coffee. It's currently 10:15 and I'm gonna get my day started, so here we go. Woke up with my hair like this. How does this even happen? I've been listening to a whole lot of Taylor Swift, and I don't know if this is a cry for help, but I just can't stop. Okay, so for my OOTD, it's nothing too special, but I'm wearing my Pace University windbreaker, real cute, whatever, and then black jeans, the same black jeans that you always see me wear. I'm gonna wear flip-flops that you always see me wear. And also, I'm sorry that my room is a mess. I'm like in the middle of unpacking and repacking and like getting all that stuff together. And then finally, some hoops from Forever 21 maybe, or H&M. I don't know which one of those. So, hello. I just stepped in a huge puddle. Oh, so rude.
The salad with chicken.
Auntie, you want to see my video? Look at.
Oh, not with my glasses.
Look at. Is it so nice?
It's so nice.
Worth the $700, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just.
They just redid my Target and like it looks so good. It's like fancy as hell now. I'm loving it. Target really stepped up its game. Yeah, I like that. But I like this hat more.
Oh no.
No? What about this one? Oh, this one has
that
a
one
strap.
might look better.
You really think this is gonna look better?
This is what you wanted for.
A dome.
Oh no, Maria.
Here we go. Can you see me? Like, do I need to? There we go. I just hit something. I just hit a can. Let's get started. I'm just gonna shuffle it. Oh, the song was good. Where's the part that I'm like looking for? I love Sam Smith.
Say I want you, never ask you, 'cause deep down I'm certain I know what you'd say. You'd say I'm sorry, believe me, I love you, but not in that way.
Wait, this song is so sad. Okay, if you guys know where this song is from, comment down below.
Place to go. I never said thank you for that.
Ah!
Just lead you in. Here you meet my friends.
I surprised myself with this one because I forgot this was on here.
Just wake me up when September ends, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September ends.
It might not look like it's raining outside, but it's been raining on and off all day and it's like gross out. So trust me, this is rainy, but whatever.
The walls, they're closing in with velvet curtains. Slow it down, Angie, come back to bed.
I'm really shocked. I just have this playlist on shuffle and I'm shocked that no John Mayer has come on yet because I'm a huge fan. I love this song purely for the fact, obviously it's good, I love Adele, you go girl, but Lea Michelle's performance of this song on Glee, watch it.
And the whole world is on your case. I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love.
There's John Mayer.
The lights out before time is run out. Oh, baby, love me lights out in the darkest night.
I like this version in comparison to Beyonce's because like his voice is just so soothing. Like his voice is just so good. All the John Mayer songs are gonna like come on in a row now.
It's not the storm before the calm. We're gone down. You can see it slow dancing.
That shit hurted. Guess where I am, everyone. I bet you couldn't guess where I am. I bet no one guessed that I was at the gym. I'm gonna finish this when I get back on the car. Okay, we're gonna finish this playlist here. Oh, this is like sad. I think this is from, what's that movie? The Fault in Our Stars. I'm sorry that like all these songs are so sad.
Now breaking in the bridges of the ends of all your life. To my love, took it down. Climbed around and I turned around. And I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills till the landslide brought it down.
Oh, sorry everyone, I was having serious camera issues. I also changed again because I was all sweaty and gross and I had to stop at home anyways, so all right, here we go. As you can see now, it is raining, so perfect.
Children get older.
This song's already good, but Taylor Swift did a cover of it and it's just like, and this is recent too, like it sounds like her old music so much and I think that's why I like it so much. Like I'm all for the new Taylor or whatever, but like, come on, where you at, girl?
Hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in.
At this point of the drive with me, I was so frustrated with traffic and I was getting for real hangry, so that's why I'm not as like into this song, but that song slaps. Don't sleep on it. I was just singing for like 10 minutes and I don't think I recorded any of it, but we made it, people. I'm hungry now, so we've got to get the show on the road. Girl, the transitions again. How did you get from point A to point B?
Over the wash yet or no?
I put white rice in my bowl. That's so rude. This whole thing. Can't do drip. Drip, drip. The game's on here.
Eating Chipotle, what else is new?
Seriously, I think that's what we were doing in my last vlog.
Oh, wow. So that was in the car.
Now we're home.
Now we're in the house.
Perfect.
Can we name her Juanita?
Juanita?
Mm-hmm. Or should it be a girl? I mean, or boy.
I'm gonna try this.
Rate it 1 to 10.
Wait, that's so funny because you just put... Oh, hi everyone. I look kind of crazy because I just got home, but I stopped vlogging in the car just because I was frustrated and tired and didn't want to vlog on the car anymore because there was traffic and I was hungry and it was just a lot. for my puny little brain to handle. Okay, first I got this jumpsuit. You can't really see it, but it like ties in the back. It's like wicked cute. But this little has like palm leaves on it. I really like it. Yeah, my room's a mess, but I love that. Okay, so then I got these earrings, and like they're a little crazy, a little funky, but I really like them, and I actually think they could go really well with this jumpsuit just to add a little bit of a pop. Big fan. These earrings are really ugly, but they were on sale, and I think that I could make them cute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm tired and I want to go to sleep. My makeup is all over my face.
I had a gratin when I was chickacret. I had lots of a makeup on my face.
Make sure if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, comment whatever you want, requests, all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video, whenever that is, hopefully soon. Bye.